In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use the WordPress ticket support plugin. Okay guys, so you can install this plugin just like any other WordPress plugin. So, go to your dashboard just like this, and then click on Add New, then click on Upload Plugin, and go ahead, choose the plugin, which is the zip file. So the ticket support.zip file, and go ahead, upload it and click install, and you'll see it just like this. And then if you do see the activate button, go ahead and activate it. So guys, once this plugin is installed and activated, you will see the support center that appears right here. So a few things we need to do on here. So go ahead, click on it. As you can see, we've been using this, so you can see that there are some tickets in here. Now, what you need to do is go ahead, go into my account, and then go ahead. If you want, emails that are assigned to you to be sent, so notification when someone, creates a new ticket, you can go ahead and click on that. Now, if you want to get it for the department that you're assigned to, we'll talk about departments in a second, but you can go ahead and click on that. And if you want to hide the Create New Page from the main menu, you can go ahead and do that here. And these are the settings that we have already selected for you. So if you want it to work just like how we have this plugin working, then just go ahead and leave this alone. Now the next thing you can do is go ahead and make some pre-made responses. So if someone says something, anything, these are responses that they will get. Okay, so there's that. Now the next thing you need to do, and the biggest thing, is going to be inside preference. So guys, you can go ahead and read through this if you want to change any of these settings. So these are just pretty much, like you can see here, are user roles. There's attachments. So when people attach things to the ticket, you can control, the size, how many attachments that they can make. And you can even control the attach type. So if you just, want certain types of attachments, then you just go ahead and put it in here. So again, very quick right here for this. Now here's a really cool rule that a lot of people want, is that they don't want a public viewing of the ticket. So you can go ahead and click on this to allow users to make their ticket public, or just not at all. So sometimes, people might have the same question over and over again. So if they make their ticket public, or you can make their ticket public, which I'll show you in a second. But that way, people can see the question and don't have to keep asking that. Now the next thing is actually tickets. So if you want to change anything in the ticket, you can go ahead and do that from here. Next thing is departments. If you want to create departments, so you see general questions and billing support on the screen. When you first install this, you'll only see general questions, but you can add as many departments as you want. Next thing is priorities. So, we added no priorities for you, but you can go ahead and add like high, medium, low, anything that you want in here. And you just do it by clicking Add New. Next thing is email. So here, this is just for notification. Do you want to notify the staff member? Do you want to notify the user? Anything like that. We have left a lot of default settings for you that works the best. So if you want it to work like that, just go ahead and leave it. Next thing is email piping. So in here, if you want people to reply to your email, so let's say, a support ticket is sent, you sent a reply through the system. Now, how the system is set up is someone has to log in, so they have to click on the link, and they have to log in and reply back. But you can click on this little neat gadget right here. And you can see that it allows you to actually allows the user to just reply in the email, and it will actually reply to the ticket. So if you want that, that's available for you. Now the next thing is email templates. So go ahead if you want to, change when there's a new ticket created, a new reply, when a ticket is closed. You can even do it for staff. So, when they've been assigned something, there's been a reply from the user when, a ticket's been closed, or even cron reminders. You can actually have that in here. So you can change the email, how it's going to be sent and seen as well. Now the next thing you need to do is go ahead and create 3 pages. So one page is for new tickets. So when someone needs to create a new ticket, this is where the page is going to be. So go ahead, select it, and then copy this shortcode and paste it into that page. Now the next thing is ticket preview, which is just one ticket, and it is going to preview it for you. So you can go ahead, same thing, select it, and then paste this shortcode. And now the last thing is the list of tickets. Now, how the system is set up is that the back end is where the ticket system sits, where ticket systems are read in, people can see their list, and all that type of stuff. Now, if you don't want to set it up like that and you want the front end page to be used, you can click on this and you'll start using the front end page. Now, the next thing is cron. Now you need to go ahead and enable cron so you can have some scheduled tasks like auto closing. So if someone hasn't replied to a ticket in a long time, it'll automatically close it right in here. Next thing is queue reminder. So if someone hasn't replied, someone hasn't seen the reply or anything, you can set it up where it automatically sends them a notification saying, hey, there was a reply 2 days ago, or you can change this to 20 days ago. You never replied. So you can set this up. And to set up cron, it is in the documentation PDF that was with the zip file. Now guys, I just want to show you what it looks like one more time here. So I'm going to go here and I'll create a new ticket. And you can see it looks like this. And people can pick department, they can select priority, they can attach the file right here. Ticket preview, if they have the ticket, well, I don't have any tickets, but if they have a ticket, it will appear right here. And last thing is ticket list. Again, they can search their tickets, other tickets, any public tickets, they can search from right here. Okay guys, so that is how you install and kind of customize and work with the ticket system.